Motul Chain Lube is a full range of motorcycle chain lubricants. Road for road use, off-road for off-road use, and factory line for racing use. Shake well before use. Apply throughout the full length of a chain previously degreased with Motul Chain Clean. Then leave to dry for a few minutes to ensure adherence. Motul Chain Lube's specific formulation limits rolling friction, improves transmission performance and increases chain service life. The product retains its lubricant properties at very high temperatures. It is resistant to water, prevents corrosion, protects the O-rings and contains a solvent to penetrate well between the pins. Suits all types of chain, standard, O, X and Z ring.